are doing very well. All right, so the past couple days we've been working on a lot of reading and ELA and such, and vocabulary and blending, and we will do a lot more of that in the coming days, but today I thought we would dive into a little math. Now remember, we used to count with Mr. Jack Hartman all the time on those YouTube videos. Your moms and dads can sign up for those or find those for you. And then you can dance with Jack when he's like a grandpa or when he's at the zoo. And remember, we've been counting all the way to 120, boys and girls. All right, so I would love for you to keep doing that at home. Just find Jack Hartman on YouTube and you can move and groove with him and dance and get all the way to 120. It'll just be like being in our classroom. But right now, let's practice just a little bit of counting by tens. All right, get ready to flash your fingers at me to show me your tens. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. And I bet some of you would like to keep going, and you can do that. All right, so try to practice that a little bit throughout the days to kindergarten to keep those numbers going. All right, so I hope that you can go find some blocks or some Legos or Duplos as I have here. All right, these are great math tools, all right, that you can use at home that will help you. All right, so today we're going to practice some addition and some subtraction. All right, I would love it also if you could get a piece of paper, all right, so that you can keep writing your own number sentences at home too. All right, so let's just start easy, all right? What is 3 plus 4? All right, make your tower. Okay. Some of you probably knew it once I said it. All right, so 3 plus 4 equals 7. Good job. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now, let's turn this around. All right. Let's do 7 minus 4. Notice Mr. Minus. When we see Mr. Minus, we know numbers are going to get smaller. So 7 take away 4 equals 3. Good job. Okay. Now, I want you to see what else we can do with this. Watch me do some flip-flop turnarounds. So we've got 3 plus 4 equals 7. But we can also do 4 plus 3 equals 7. All right. So you can see, I just changed the order of the numbers. All right, still equals 7, 3 and 4. Let's do it with the subtraction too. All right, so 7 minus 3 equals, so here's our 7. I'm going to take 3 away now. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, boys and girls. We call these fact families. All right, you can see all the numbers are the same. We changed their order. all right? And we get to get all of these different answers by just using the numbers 3, 4, and 7. All right, let's do this again with some different numbers. Okay, swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. There we go. All right. Now let's do, here's my new tower. All right, I've got 2 blues and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 2. All right, let's add on from 6. It's the bigger number. 6, 7, 8. All right, but already we see a plus number sentence right here. All right, so plus equals 8. How many? 2 plus 6. All right, so let's write that down. Around and back on the railroad track, plus 6, slant on down and give it a curl, equals 8. Make an S and go back home. 2 plus 6 equals 8. All right, now we're going to flip-flop, turn it around. All right, we're going to do 6 plus 2 equals 8. All right, now we've got our plus sentences. All right, let's do our subtraction ones. All right, so we're going to use Mr. Minus, which means numbers are going to get smaller. Very good. All right, so we're going to start with, I got to count my blocks. I forgot how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Make an S and go back home. 8 minus 2 greens. I'm going to break those off. Around and back on the railroad track equals, I had 8. I took away 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slant on down and give it a curl. All right, we've still got another number sentence to put in here to complete this fact family. All right, so 8 minus 2 equals 6. So now I'm going to do 8 minus all the blue ones. All right, and remember we have how many blues? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 minus 6 equals, how many are left? 2. Around and back on the railroad track. All right. Now, remember, friends, we can write them, all right, like number sentences. We can also stand our numbers on their heads, all right, remember? So we could do 2 plus 6, all right, equals 8, all right? Remember, the answer goes underneath, all right? We could do 6 plus 2 equals 8, all right? I'm going to put a line here so we can see different ways we can solve our math. All right, 8 minus 6 equals 2. All right, and then 8 minus 2 equals 6. All right, so all the same information, just showing it to you in different ways because you see our papers look different like this. All right. So there's another fact family using 2 and 6. All right. Now, we've also done this another way in the classroom, and I still want to use 6 and 2. All right. Remember, friends, we were doing some math mountains in class. All right, so let's practice some of those right now as well. Okay, so here's my cubes. All right, remember we're playing with the number 8 right now. All right, so there's my 8 at the top of the math mountain. And then remember how we would have the 6 here and the 2. All right, so if I'm going to draw my little dots, all right, how many are going to go on this side? 6, that's right. Remember we had to draw those teeny tiny dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many are going to go here? 2. Very good. All right, let's use a different number since I've got more Duplos here. Okay. All right, here is this one. 3 and 2. What is 2 plus 3? 5. Good job. So 5 would be at the top of my mountain. Okay. And I would have 3 and 2. So I'm going to draw my dots. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And I would write my numbers to match underneath. Okay. So this is another way that you can be practicing your math just like we did in the classroom at home, making those math mountains. Let's do another one. How many are here? 4. All right, down, over, pick up your pencil, pull down. All right, and then we're going to draw our little math mountain. All right, and we've got how many and how many? Good job. We've got 2 and 2. 2 and 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. Boys and girls, these are all different ways for us to solve math. So what is 6 plus 2? 8. 3 plus 2? 5. 2 plus 2? 4. Good. Good job. All right. All right, I'm going to put one up here and I want you to do it on your own. I'm going to pick a big number. Okay. So, make a circle, then a line. That is how we make a 9. All right. So there's the number 9. Okay. I would like you to tell me what could be on either side of your math mountain right now. What numbers could you use? Use your blocks, whatever you've got at home. Okay. Your answer may match the one I put on here, but we'll try a few because there's quite a few answers that we could put here. What plus what equals 9? All right. Maybe you did 4 and 5. So, does yours look like mine? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Maybe you did them all on one side. So my one side of my math mountain would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus what equals 9? 0. That's right. So one side of your math mountain wouldn't have anything because we know 9 plus 0 is 9. All right. I know sometimes we liked writing it on the side when we were solving it. Some of us like to do that above and beyond because it was kind of fun to see the numbers. You can absolutely still do that at home. All right, so here it would be 5 and 4 would be 9. Okay, maybe you picked a different one for 9. Okay, it's hard to write sideways. Okay, so maybe you only put 1 on this side of the math mountain. So you've got 1 and you need to get to 9. All right. I hope I've got all the cubes I can do this with. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. So we've got 1. All right, I'm going to put that here. My cube colors might not match. That's okay. All right, I want to get to 9. So there's my 1. Let's figure out how many are on the other side of the math mountain. So here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, because there's my 1 dot, which is matching this 1 cube. Let's see how many I put on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many of you picked that one at home? You did 8 and 1. All right, here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I'll put an 8 and a 1. And that's another way we could do 9. All right. There's another one too I didn't put up here. Maybe you did it at home though. Did anybody do 6 and 3? 6 and 3 would be 9. Okay. Get another one here so that it matches, because maybe your math mountain looked like that. 6 and 3 is 9. So there's lots of different ways that we can make 9, boys and girls. Maybe you did 2 and 7, because that's another way that we could make 9. And you could have shown me that on your math mountain. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. 2 and 7 is 9. All right, so kindergarten, have fun making some math mountains at home. All right, use your Legos and Duplos to make towers and practice your math facts. Play, have fun. That's what's so great about math, is we get to use all these neat tools to help us solve it. Kindergarten, I hope you are having a good day. I do miss you so much. I am certain you're getting taller, and I just can't wait to see you again. So please keep those pictures coming so that I can see your smiling little faces. And I love seeing the things you're doing at home, on your playground, or painting pictures. All right, the things that you're creating. All right, boys and girls. When you get a chance throughout the week, keep working on those iReady lessons. Remember, they are just for you. They are right where you need to work right now. All right, so that helps exactly, all right, the skills that right now you need to practice. Just a little bit throughout the week would be great, friends. All right, have fun. All right, have fun doing some math and some math mountains and some number sentences. All right, I love you guys. Have a great day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.